Let's start by making our dressing for our salad. We want 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's whisk that up. Now let's prepare our English cucumber. We're going to cut this into 1/2-inch dices. So I'm going to go on and cut it in half, make it easier to handle. Okay, there's our chopped cucumber. Now let's add that to a bowl. Now this makes about 6 servings, so I've got my nice sized bowl to put this in. Now next, let's cut up our 2 mangoes. Okay, so I've got 2 mangoes and I'm going to peel these and cut them. What I'll do is cut first and then take the peelings off. And I'm going to chop these mangoes into 1/2-inch dices also. Okay, now we've got our mango all chopped, 2 mangoes. Let's put that in the bowl with our cucumber. Okay, now I'm going to do my mint. I've got about 5 stems of mint. And I'm going to take them and take the leaves off. And then I'm going to cut the leaves with scissors. And we need about 1/4 cup of this mint. I find this the easiest way to deal with this. What we want to do next is pour our dressing onto the mixture. You're going to love this salad. It is so refreshing. It's a great summertime salad. And now let's toss our salad. Once you have this mixed, it's ready to serve. That is so easy and it's delicious. I love having this with like ribs or chicken wings. I think it goes really well with spicy foods. Yum, yum. Let's go serve it up.